In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the progress bar in Typeform. If you've ever had people abandon a form because they weren't sure how long it would take, a progress bar can make a big difference. It gives respondents a clear sense of where they are and how much is left, which can improve completion rates and make the experience feel more transparent and guided. Let's walk through turning it on, step by step, in a simple and stress-free way. Start by opening Typeform on your PC. Once you're signed in and on your workspace, look for the form you want to update. If you manage multiple forms, the search bar or recent items can help you find it quickly. Click your form to open it. This takes you into the editor where you can adjust content, design, and overall settings. Next, look for the Settings option, represented by a small gear icon. It's typically located near the top of the interface. Click that gear to open the Settings panel. Think of this area as your control center for how your form behaves for respondents. Inside the settings, navigate to General and then open Display Settings. General holds the global options that affect the entire form, and Display Settings is where you control what people see while they're filling it out. This is exactly where the progress bar lives. Within Display Settings, find the option labeled Progress Bar. It might be grouped with other visual toggles. The description usually explains that it helps respondents track their progress. When you see it, you're in the right place. Click the toggle to turn it on. As soon as you enable it, Typeform will start showing a visual indicator during the form experience, typically reflecting your theme or brand colors. This won't change your questions or layout. It simply adds a clear, friendly guide at the top or bottom of the screen that updates as people move forward. Before you leave, click Save. This is important. Some interfaces autosave parts of your work, but the safest move is to confirm the save manually. That way you're sure your progress bar setting is locked in and ready for respondents. That's all there is to it. By opening Typeform on your PC, selecting your form, heading into the settings gear, navigating to General and Display Settings, locating the progress bar, switching it on, and saving, you're making your form more transparent and user-friendly. The next time someone opens your form, they'll see exactly how far they've come and how close they are to the finish line.